Let's take a look here, guys. So, I am at work.
I am at work.
I am at work.
I am at work.
Present or past?
Present.
Very good. So, if it's past, we say I was
I was
at work.
at work.
Very good. So, remember, I am at work.
I am at work.
I was at work.
I was at work.
So attention, guys, when you are completing the exercises in your Focus English app, make sure to pay attention if it's present, past, future, affirmative, negative. So think about the logic, okay? So next one. My mother
My mother
is going to the supermarket.
is going to the supermarket.
Let's repeat one more time. My mother is going
My mother is going
to the
to
supermarket.
the supermarket.
My mother is going to the supermarket.
My mother is going to the supermarket.
Present or past?
Present.
Now, what's the past? Everybody. My mother was going to the supermarket. Very good. So look. Is. Was. Exactly. Simple. Very simple. Everybody. Is. Was. Is. Was. So my mother was
My mother was
going to the supermarket.
going to the supermarket.
Fantastic. Number 3. My brother is studying Spanish.
My brother is studying Spanish.
Now, slow. My brother
My brother
is studying
is studying
Spanish.
Spanish.
Now, nice and naturally. My brother is studying Spanish.
My brother is studying Spanish.
Now, present or past?
Present.
Now, the past?
Was.
So, my brother was
Is studying Spanish.
a student or studying?
Studying.
No, student. Studying.
Studying.
Yes, very good. My parents are
My parents are
going to the gym.
going to the gym.
Going to the gym.
Going to the gym.
My parents are going to the gym.
My parents are going to the gym.
To the gym.
To the gym.
Now look. Are.
Are.
What's the past of are?
War.
No, was. Look. Are. Was. No.
No.
Were.
War.
Excellent. Everybody. Were.
War.
Were.
War.
Are.
Are.
Were.
War.
Is.
Is.
Was.
Was.
Am.
Am.
Was.
Was.
So attention to this. So if I say are, was, no. Were.
War.
Where or were?
War.
Were, not where. Okay? So my parents were
My parents were
going to the gym.
going to the gym.
Yes. We are leaving.
While
We are leaving.
leaving,
We are
we are
leaving the park
leaving the park
at 3.
at 3.
Present or past? In the past, we were. Now, guys, the past, guys, if I say were, no, not correct. Complete sentence. If I say, what's the past? Were, no. We were
We are
leaving the park
leaving the park
at 3.
at 3.
So complete sentence, guys, not short. And when you complete the app, make sure it's a long sentence. If you complete short, were, no, complete. Now, they are exercising
They are exercising
at the gym.
at the gym.
Past. They were
They were
exercising
exercising
at the gym.
at the gym.
Exercising.
Exercising.
Excellent. My father is driving
My father is driving
to central London.
to central London.
My father is driving to central London.
My father is driving to central London.
Present or past?
Present.
In the past? Was. Very good. So, my father was
My father was
driving to central London.
driving to central London.
Central London.
Central London.
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 Very good. My sister is visiting
My sister is visiting
her friend.
her friend.
My sister was visiting
My sister was visiting
her friend.
her friend.
My sister was visiting
My sister was visiting
was visiting her friend.
her friend.
Very good. My friends and I,
My friends and I,
my friends
my friends
and I.
and I,
Singular or plural? My friends and I. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural, guys, because my friends, 2, 3, 4, and I, plural, not singular.
My friends.
Okay, so my friends and I
My friends and I
are drinking at the club.
drinking at the club.
The past, my friends and I
My friends and I
were drinking
were drinking
at the club.
at the club.
Very good. We are having chicken for dinner.
Where are chicken for dinner?
Again, we are
We are
having chicken
having chicken
for dinner.
for dinner.
We were
We were
having chicken for dinner.
having chicken for dinner.
Now, let's just repeat one more time. I am at work.
I am at work.
My mother is going to the supermarket.
My mother is going to the supermarket.
Going to the supermarket.
Going to the supermarket.
Going
Going
to
to
the
the
supermarket.
supermarket.
Very good. My brother is studying Spanish.
My brother is studying
Spanish.
Spanish.
My parents are going to the gym.
My parents are going to the gym.
We are leaving the park at 3.
Where you are living the park
At 3.
at 3.
We are.
We are.
We. We are leaving.
We are living.
We are leaving.
We are
Not
living.
we are leaving. No, we are leaving.
We are living.
Very good. They are exercising at the gym.
They are exercising at the gym.
My father is driving to central London.
My father is driving to central London.
My sister is visiting her friend.
My sister is visiting her friend.
Her friend.
Her friend.
Her.
Her.
Very good. My friends and I.
My friends and I.
My friends and I
My friends and I.
are drinking at the club.
I drink at the club.
At the club.
At the club.
Very good. We are having chicken for dinner.
Where are having chicken for dinner?
We are having chicken for dinner.
We are having chicken for dinner.
Excellent. Not we are having. No, we are. Okay, so
We are.
natural. Okay, guys. Remember, when you complete the app, guys, make sure you repeat. Click, listen, speak. Many times to memorize. Fantastic. So, right. I am.
I am.
I was.
I was.
I am.
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 I was.
He is.
He was.
He is.
He was.
He is.
He was.
She is.
She was.
She is.
She was.
It is.
It was.
It is.
It was.
We are.
We were.
Were. We were.
We were.
We were.
We were.
We were.
We were.
We were.
We were.
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 Excellent. You are.
You are.
You were.
You were.
Excellent. Present. Alex, present. You past. You are.
You were.
You are.
You were.
Excellent. Very good. They are.
They were.
Very good. They are.
They were.
Now, just something very important here, guys. Look. Where.
Where.
Look at the phonetics. Where.
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 Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from
I am from
England,
England.
Ukraine, Colombia, Brazil. Very good. So in this case, where?
Where.
Everybody, where?
Where.
Very good. Now look. Were.
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 You were
You were.
at work.
At work.
At work.
At work.
Very good. And we have war.
Were.
War.
Were.
The war in Ukraine
You were in Ukraine.
is terrible.
It's terrible.
See, it's different. The war, Russia and Ukraine, it's a horrible thing. So everybody, war.
War.
Were.
Were.
Where.
Where.
Same or different? Different pronunciation. Let's repeat one more time, everybody. Where.
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 Were.
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 War.
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 Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
You were at work.
You were at work.
You were at work.
You were at work.
The war in Ukraine
The war in Ukraine
is terrible.
is terrible.
Excellent. Very good. Guys.